How to turn on Do Not Disturb mode in Rainbow Six Mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you want to play Rainbow Six Mobile without notifications, calls, or interruptions popping up mid-match, you're basically looking to activate a Do Not Disturb style experience. So first of all, launch open the Rainbow Six Mobile game on your device and make sure you are inside this lobby page. Once you're inside the lobby page of the game, go ahead and tap on the two human icons at the top right corner, and this will open the social menu. From the social menu, tap the drop down where it says online at the top right and click on Do Not Disturb. Once you select Do Not Disturb, you'll be able to block all the invitations you may get while playing the game. So that is how it's done. Now you can fully focus on tactical gameplay, clutch moments, and winning those rounds without annoying pop-ups. You can always switch back to online mode whenever you want by repeating this step and choosing online. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.